The sound we're just going to practice in this video is the sound ng. Repeat after me. Ng. 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 Ng in anger. Again, anger. Banging. Again, banging. England. Again, England. Hanger. Again, hanger. Jingle. Again, jingle. Longer. Again, longer. Singer. Again, singer. Tango. Again, tango. Younger. Again, younger. What other words has the middle sounds ng? Ng in bang. Again, bang. Ding. Again, ding. Hang. Again, hang. Long. Again, long. Pong. Again, pong. Sing. Again, sing. Song. Again, song. Strong. Again, strong. Tongue. Again, tongue. What other words has the final sounds ng? Now, let's practice phrases with these sounds. Ready? A hanging bridge. Again, a hanging bridge. Ready to mingle. Again, ready to mingle. A long weekend. Again, a long weekend. Singing a song. Again, singing a song. Dancing tango. Again, dancing tango. Now, let's practice sentences with these sounds. Ready? A strong typhoon hit the Philippines. Again, a strong typhoon hit the Philippines. The longer the time, the shorter time we can finish. Again, the longer the time, the shorter time we can finish. Hang the ice tongue. Again, hang the ice tongue. Put the hanger in the box. Again, put the hanger in the box. I have a ping pong ball. Again, I have a ping pong ball. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ng. Repeat after me. Ng. 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 I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.